Hello and welcome. In the following we will introduce another way of creating Paperspace layouts. First, let's go through some of the new commands that have been implemented. Two of them can be found under the General tab. The blue one can be used to save settings and styles to a file, and the red one is to import these things from such a file. This can be used to synchronize settings throughout the whole team. This here is a simple plan trying to resemble the settings and styles of the sample as close as possible. We will use this to demonstrate the creation of 4 Paperspace layouts. We also have some new BAM settings, one of which is the plan sheet language under the General tab. Let's set it to Norwegian, and under the BAM tab we can now set the plan stamp. Currently we have only this one preset available, but we can open it to edit, or we could create also new ones, as many as needed, and after saving them they will be also included in the list. The preset stamp consists of intelligent labels. I will return to those in a bit. So the layout creation is done by this command. We will create 4 row layouts, as I mentioned. We need to drag out a rectangle. This will set the size of the main viewport. It can contain other elements than the slab. Now we got an additional intelligent label in there, for example. We set the plotter to DVG to PDF, and the CTB file will be taken from the plot settings of the model. The rollout settings here are disabled, as it will create 4 rollouts anyway. Then we can set the sheet size, and it will tell us the maximum scale that fits onto the sheet. Naturally, the smaller the sheet size, the greater the scale will be. In this case we will generate A0 sheets and skip the overview plans. And just like that, it generated the 4 layouts with the stamp that we have set. We can set the intelligent labels here. The first step consists of the global project settings, and for every layout we will find an additional tab, and the individual fields can be overridden on layout level. For example, here section 3 and 4 is overridden at role B2, and we can check that indeed it is displayed like that. We can add the new viewport with this command. We can set any rectangle by which a layout will be created. If we don't like the content of the viewport, we can check its properties with Ctrl right click. Using this command we can insert the BAM table. By default it's referring to all the 4 layers, but we can filter with Ctrl plus right click. On the filter tab we set the additive schedule and check filter by reinforcement layer. It is sufficient to only select the ground layer, so for example BAM bottom 1 ground. Then if we go to model space and hit recompose, the tables will be updated. In this case there are only 3 carpets on this layer. That is because we selected the wrong layer on the filtering, so let's correct that. Now we can see all the 4 carpets. There's also a command called region all, which, as the name suggests, will refresh the whole view. And that's it for this video, so thank you for watching and have a nice day.